Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do clamshell shutters. All right, so come on closer. So right here, can you see it? Get a tight shot. You got to loosen that. So we're going to go lefty-loosey. Then we're going to walk over. We're going to loosen this one. Now this thing's going to slip back and forth. Our holes are here, and I've got our screws ready to go. You just set her down. And then all we got to do, come on over here. All you got to do is line this up. Yep, that's it. All you got to do is line it up. Get your screw ready. Get it in the anchor. Make sure you got it on forward. Bam, that one's in. Now we're going to do one more over here. Bam, clamshell. Now, if you want, you go up here, tighten that down. It gives it a little bit more strength so that these won't move. Do both sides. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So I'm turning it right to tighten it. All right, these babies are ready to go for the hurricane. For Hurricane Dorian. Right, Dorian?
Yep.
All right, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other stupid videos that I make about stuff I've never done before, but I'm going to do it anyway. You can't too. Peace out.